Yo, what is going on, guys? It's your boy Gavin or Born Hype coming at you guys with another video. Today, I got my first pair of LUNDMARKs in the mail. I already unboxed it like a moron because I forgot that I haven't made a video on these yet. I had a pair early, but I did have a sneaker show that I went to the day of the LUNDMARK release, um, and they sold there. So that's why I didn't have a video early, because I got them the night before, and I was just like, fuck it, I'll do it tomorrow after the show, and then they sold. So that's also why I didn't have a live cop, because I was at the show, but I did manage to get, I think, like 10 pairs in total. So here we go. We got the YEEZY LUNDMARKs here. This is a size 6. I didn't do the greatest on this release, as YEEZY supply was very, very AIDS. But these are a really nice shoe, to be honest. People are calling them the dirty statics and like that kind of shit, because they basically are static but without the tab, and they're like a little dirtier. They look a little browner, or grayer, if I should say. Um, but if you were to wear your statics and get them dirty, there's no chance in fucking hell they'd come like this. So I really like this shoe. I got a personal as well. They haven't come in yet, but I have a 6, 8.5, and I think a 10 that came in today. Um, but yeah, they're clean. I really like the no back tab. I've always liked the Yeezys without the back tab, like the first V2s, like the Bluga 1.0s, with red stripe, Breads. I think no, Breads had them. I don't think Red Stripe had them. Coppers, like those. I don't think any of those had them. But yeah, I think it looks a lot better without the back tab. Let's Oh, my dog got hair all over my blacks. Damn, that's AIDS. It won't come off. But I think, honestly, they look better without the back tab. And, I mean, this is a 10.5, but still. Um, so, yeah. That's, these are the LUNDMARKs. Normal Yeezy, just without the back tab. And a new colorway. But I think they are a new colorway. Everybody else hates them, but I think they're clean. I do also think they will go up in value. If you guys would like to hold these, definitely think they'll go up in value, just because of like the static type look, and like I don't know. I think they'll go up. It's also summertime right now, and everyone wants Yeezys. I sold so many pairs at Boston Got Soul. Shout out if you're from the East Coast and went to Boston, but that was a great show. I sold a lot, and also copped some LUNDMARKs. So get L on reflectors. You guys are in the live stream. But yeah, from now on, the end of the summer is kind of slow. There's like there's those blue and black, like frag looking, not really frag. They are like UNC frags, actually, kind of. Um, those release in August, end of August. But for July, there's really nothing. Beginning of August, not much. Some like GR flips that you could do probably on like employee discount or some shit. But and then into September, the beginning of the month, we have 3 pairs of Sakai's, and then towards the end of the month, we have the two different Yeezys. So yeah, that'll be good. But yeah, hopefully you guys did enjoy this video. If you did, make sure to leave a like down below. Subscribe if you guys are new. Thank you so much for 600 subscribers. Road to 1K, I guess, now. I'm going to be doing a giveaway at 1K. I'm going to figure it out soon, see what's popping. But yeah, guys, thank you guys so much for all the love and support. It's been Gavin or Born Hype, and I'm out. Peace.